Back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your place. So today in this video I'm gonna do a manicure at home. Yes, you heard it right, I'm gonna do a manicure at home. Alright, so you know guys, there is something about a beautiful manicure that just looks and feels elegant about. So you know, but if you are doing a manicure at salons, it can really add up to the course of the year. So if you want to save your time, if you want to save your money, there are few essential steps which you need to follow for doing a manicure at home. So today in this video I'm going to use this Vedic Valley manicure and pedicure kit. You can use this for, you know, manicuring and also for pedicure. So there are three varieties of this product. This is from Vedic Valley, and this one is rich dose of vitamin C for refresh, happy and brighten skin, and the flavor is guava and chili, and this product is paraben and sulfate free. So there are three varieties. This is number one, and the number two is, look at this one. This is also from Vedic Valley, deep cleansing and soothing for rejuvenated skin, and the flavor is lavender and chamomile. And the third one is this. Okay, this one is goodness of vitamin A, deep detan and youthful skin, apple and honey. So here are the three varieties of the product. So today I'm going to use this product and I'm going to do a manicure and I'm going to show you. So keep on watching the video till the last. I'll be really happy if you just take some time and like, share and subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. The product which I'll be using today is from Vedic Valley manicure and pedicure kit. There are three varieties of this product. The first one is apple and honey, and the second one is guava and chili, and the third one is lavender and chamomile. So these are the three products. I'm gonna use the first one, that is apple and honey. So let's begin. Now let's see what is inside this packet. Alright, so the first thing which I got is the soak. Okay, so guys, one by one I'll be telling you the procedure of manicure and pedicure as well. So the first product was soak, the second is body wash. The numbers are written on the packet itself. The third one is scrub. The fourth is mask. And the fifth step is massage cream. Alright, so the first step is remove any previously applied nail polish. Alright, now when you are at the drugstore and wondering which type of nail remover to buy, keep this in mind that non-acetone nail polish removers are gentle than the acetone based ones, but the acetone based remover will work faster and will be contact with the skin for a shorter period of time than the non-acetone based remover. Right, so I'm done with removing my previous nail polish. As you can see, my nails are not shaped at all. So the second step is gonna be shape your nails. Okay, so clip your nails if necessary, then gently file them into shape. A slightly rounded nail shape or a square rounded edge is generally the best way to go, but you can be creative as you want. Next, smooth the top and sides of the nails with a slightly abrasive buffer to ensure an uneven surface. But do not forget, if you buff the nails too smooth, the polish will adhere as well, can literally slip right off. Now I'm gonna cut my longest nail. Oh my god. My heart was beating so faster, you know. So here I'm done with cutting my nails, and now I'm going to file my nails into desired shape as I want. Alright, so I'm done with filing my nails. Now let's proceed further. The first process is take a ball of warm water, not too hot water, and now I'm going to add this soak packet number 1. Alright, Soaking the cuticle before trimming is crucial, but over soaking actually damages the skin and nails. So limit this step to 3 minutes or less. Now I'm going to follow the same procedure for my legs too. I'm going to soak my legs for 2 or 3 minutes. Right, so next I'm going to go for body wash, and let's see how we have to use this. Work up leather, massage and rinse. So you have to create a foam and you have to massage it gently, and then you have to rinse it. I'm gently massaging it. I have just speed up the video, so I'm not going harsh with my hands and feet. Okay, so the next step is scrubbing. So let's see how to use the scrub. So while doing scrubbing, you have to gently massage it to exfoliate and thoroughly rinse it. So I'm gonna massage it for a while and then I'm gonna rinse it. You can rinse it with the normal water or lukewarm water as you wish. I'm gonna do the same with my foot too. Let's move on further. The next step is gonna be remove excess cuticle. Alright, so using the cuticle pusher from a kit gently pushes the cuticle back away from the nail, but do not push it too far because it can damage nail growth or fray the cuticles. Be careful not to pull, lift, tear, rip, force or cut into the cuticles in any way. I'm going to follow the same procedure for my legs too. Do not clip into the cuticle. Merely nip off the free edge with a pair of metal cuticle nipper. It's better to undergo this step than to overdo it because the cuticle helps protect the nail bed from all sorts of problems. Now also the time to also remove hang nails around the sides of the nails, but again be careful not to cut into the nail itself or to cut into the skin too deeply. Alright, so next step is mask. Okay, now here it's written how to use. Apply a thin layer into the skin and allow it to dry. So this is the consistency of the mask. Now I'm going to apply a thin layer of mask over my hand, and I'll follow the same procedure for my legs too. After applying the mask, you have to let the mask dry and then you have to thoroughly rinse it. Right, so I'm done with the mask. Now let's proceed further. Next step is massage cream. So I have to apply this massage cream over my hand and my legs, and then I have to gently massage it. I'm gonna massage it for 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, you can massage it for less than that also. This is the consistency as you can see. Now I'm going to massage it. Massage cream helps to hydrate our hands and feet, and it also helps to replenish the skin. So I'm going to follow the same procedure for pedicure too. After massaging the cream, I'm going to wash it off and then I'm going to apply a moisturizer. Okay, now before going for the moisturizer, first I'm going to paint my nails. So if you have a weak or a brittle nail, use a base coat of rich feeling nails polish to soak up the nails. A base coat also protects the nails from staining and preventing chipping. Next, apply your color polish in layers, allowing each layer to dry between the coats. If you're new to a nail paint, use a lighter shade of the polish. Any mistakes will be less noticeable. Check for and clean up any mistakes and you are almost done. It takes time for the nails to fully dry, so be patient. A fan helps, but do not use any heat or polish will chip and peel. Also, do not put your nails too close to the fan's airflow or you will end up with the bubbles in your polish. The last but not the least, reapply the moisturizer. So keeping your hands and the nail area healthy looking requires a moisturizer. You can give a great nails and hands without this essential product. If you have the right tool lined up and you use the right technique, you can definitely give yourself a beautiful manicure. Of course, there is nothing wrong with getting a professional manicure for special occasions or just to pampered, but knowing how to do it yourself can save you a lot of the time and money. Thank you for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and stay safe, stay beautiful, and bye bye, take care.